All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Nothing Ear One wireless earbuds sitting here in front of you. Now this is the new black color or black edition that they just recently launched back on December 13th to the public. Now I was fortunate enough to be able to jump online and get them ordered. Now as of today, December 17th, they just hit my doorstep. So I wanted to go ahead, run in my room and do a real quick unboxing and show y'all just the up close look of these earbuds. Now they are $99 on the Nothing website, so I will link their website down in the description. Now, like I said, unfortunately, these are out of stock right now, so you can put your email in the notify me section and you will get a notification once they are back in stock. Now, the clear version, which are the original version, those are currently in stock. So if you do want to just pick those up, then they still are $99 as well, and you can buy them. Now I just did regular shipping, nothing special, and I got these in about 5 days. So they got to me fairly quickly considering. Now let's go ahead and take a real quick peek here at the actual packaging. So as you can see here, I still have this like wrapping and stuff on here. So I got this little pull, like a little open tab here. So I'm just gonna rip it open and get it out. And there we go. And here is the packaging. So as you can see here, you have a giant picture of the actual earbud. You can see that it says Nothing Ear One there, and you can tell that this is the black version just because of the black ear tips and everything. So just a much darker smoked out version. Nothing on this side. A little bit of some information on this side about the product, but it does say the product color is black, as you see there. And then here on the back, it does have just a little bit of a breakdown, it looks like, of the actual earbuds there, carbon neutral, and then it does talk about like just the different things about the earbuds themselves. But let's go ahead and get these bad boys out. So let's see how to open this box. So here we go. So here is a little pull tab here. It looks like you just literally go all the way around and pull this up and then slide this out. So put that right there. So now we got this super shiny metallic box. So let's go ahead and shake it here. And there they are. So let's go ahead and use this tab and pull that out. And let's see if there's any goodies that are inside here. So yes, so it looks like there is some stuff in here. So it looks like we have a Type-C cable. So it's a white braided cable. Kind of a swing and a miss in my opinion. I feel like they could have went with black to match the blacked out theme, but we do have a USB-A to Type-C charging cable. It's not very long at all, guys. It's literally probably not even barely a foot long, but you do have that if you want it. So I will definitely be using just one I already have at home, but you got it if you need it. And then also in here, you do have some extra ear plugs, as it says, or the silicone ear tips. As you can see on the packaging, it does say that it does come with the small and larges. So obviously the mediums are already pre-installed on the earbuds. And then let's see what else we get in here. So it looks like we have just some paperwork and stuff in here. So basic kind of pairing information. There's a QR code there that you can scan to help with install for an iOS or Android app. So yeah, but there's that. And then also it does talk about the controls, so like the double tap for play and pause, skip the next track, volume up and down, all that. So all that's on here. And then just some safety and warranty information, which, you know, blah, 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 don't care about. So let's go ahead and just scooch this to the side here. And let's focus on the main attraction, which is the actual earbuds themselves. So just looking at this initially, I've never actually held the ear ones in my hands before. So I've never even actually touched the clear versions. Now you do have this little paper or little clinged sticker here, which I will just peel off, super easy. But just the initial look of them, as you can see here, it is a smoked out case. Squared. It does have a USB-C port there, and then of course you got a little button there that you can use as well. And then yeah, so there's the look of it all. And then you do have that little circular part there where, you know, maybe it's just to help with grip, or you can do it as a little fidget spinner if you wanted to. But that's the overall look of it. It's fairly small. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand. Obviously, there are smaller, more compact cases out there. But to be honest with you guys, I don't really care about the case. Like, the case is fine. It fits in your pocket if you wanted it to. It fits in a purse or a bag. So, I mean, it is what it is. Now, with it being kind of this more clear, you know, plastic kind of case, it might tend to get more scratches on it depending on where you throw it, you know, if you have your keys in there or something like that. So just something to think about. And then looking here on the back, you do kind of have like this cool, it almost looks like carbon fiber. I don't know if the video is going to do it justice or not, but it just kind of has this cool little part here that's like this little separation. And then here it does once again talk about like the input and all that there, which I don't really care about. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys out. So it's just an open case there. As you can see, we're immediately greeted by the flashing LED there, which is in pairing mode right now. I'm not going to pair them to my phone in this video just because this is more of simply of a unboxing and showing you how these look up front. Now it does say case or ear case right there. And then, like I said, it does have this just cool little texturized look there. Like I said, it does just look kind of carbon fiber looking. Now let's go ahead and get these bad boys out. So as far as getting them out, it's pretty simple. But as you can see there, you have a red and black dot, which kind of match up with the looks of these. So we got the, you know, red and white. So that way you know which one goes in which, so like left and right. So yeah, so there's the charging case. And now let's look at the earbuds themselves. So like I said, we have, you know, a smoked out clear earbud stem here. So at the end of the day, they do have like just this really cool look. They're really small actually. So, you know, if you're a, you know, AirPods Pro, you know, user, then these are going to be very similar in look. You have that stem, you have that in-ear design, which I'm a big fan of because the normal AirPods do not fit my ear. I have those ears where they just fall out, unfortunately. But as you can see here with just the look of these, they just look really cool. You know, I mean, they just show you all the internals. That does say nothing ear one there on the stem as well. And it does say that on this side as well. So like I said, you have that red and white dot there. And like I said, it does have the pre-installed medium ear tips in it. So once again, that's kind of the look of them there. Now you do have the little magnets there as well that are going to help with the clicking in the actual case. So nice and clicky. So when you put them in the case, they, you know, just click right in. So, well, am I doing that right? Nope, not doing that right. Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. So make sure you do it like that. I'm a ding dong. I messed up there. But once you do it, they stay in. They're not coming out. So they are staying in pretty nicely. Now let's see if we get a satisfying click or close. So kind of satisfying. Now I don't know how strong that is. So looking at it actually isn't going to flap open, which that's a big fear of mine sometimes with cases like this. But once it opens, it stays open, the hinge. Now I can close it without using my fingers. So it is a little wonky, but once it's closed, at least it's not going to open back up. So I can't swing it and open it. I can only do that when I close it. So, but yeah, but there it is, guys. There's a look. Just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and put this one in my right ear real quick, just to kind of get a feel of the comfort. And I guess I'll go ahead and put this one in too. So right off the bat, I can tell you that the medium ear tips fit perfectly for me. Might not be for you. You might have to go to the large or small, but mediums fit pretty dang good. As I'm talking right now, I don't really have any leaking of sound, and I kind of just twist them in and they feel pretty dang good. Like I always think it's weird talking when you have earbuds in, because it's just, you know, it's like closing your ears. It's kind of weird. But yeah, they fit very nicely in my ears, guys. So really, really like these. Now, I cannot remember if these wirelessly charge or not. So I think they do. So let me grab my charger real quick. So I have a wireless charger here. So I'm gonna just set them on there, and boom, there they are. They are wireless charging. I thought they were, but for some reason I just could not remember to save my life. But as you can see, Qi wireless charging capabilities there. So definitely, you know, all around, guys, you know, you got USB-C, you got wireless charging, you have a really cool looking earbud that just really stands out in my opinion. So there you have it, guys. For 99 bucks, this is what you're getting with the Nothing Ear ones. So let me know down in the comments if you're gonna scoop these up or if you already have. And if you have had these for a while, like for the clear version, let me know what your experience with these have been. You know, have you enjoyed them and have you liked the sound? I've read nothing but great things about them, considering they're only 100 bucks, especially since you get ANC and you know, 11.6 millimeter drivers. I'm just really excited to test these out for the long run. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.